We talked a little bit about the Concorde, yeah, but can you tell me why you think the Concorde is so cool?
I don't know, but I think the 411 is more better.
Why?
But let's speak now about the Concorde.
Okay.
So, what shall I speak about?
Tell me why you think it's such a cool plane.
I don't know, because it's supersonic.
Because it's supersonic, but what does that mean?
Supersonic means really fast.
Really fast, like faster than a
speed
car?
Faster than a rock. As fast as a rocket, maybe speed.
Okay.
The supersonic speed.
Supersonic speed. So faster than the speed of sound.
Yeah.
Okay. And why does it have the funny nose?
The funny nose, we mean this nose is straight and this is not.
Mm-hmm.
You see this scheme
Mm-hmm.
on takeoff and landing. The nose is so long that the pilot doesn't see what's ahead. So the nose goes down so the pilot could see.
Ah, okay. So they could see what?
So they can see at the runway where they're going.
Ah, okay.
You don't want to crash the plane on the runway.
Okay, that makes sense.
In the flight, the nose goes up position to make the air demand, to make the air flow better than with this nose, because it makes the air go not on the fast stream, and when it's like this, it goes much more faster.
Ah, okay, I see. And who made the Concorde?
British and British and France.
Ah, okay. And did the Americans make a supersonic jet?
They almost made it.
They almost made it. Okay. Who tried to make one in America?
Boeing.
Boeing did. Okay. And what happened?
And they couldn't make it.
Ah.
They stopped having a problem, but I don't remember what it was.
Okay. But they had a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and have you ever seen a Concorde?
Yeah, one time.
When?
In the museum.
In what? Which museum?
When I was telling now.
Okay. Yeah, I know you told me earlier, but tell me again so everybody else can hear.
What? In Germany.
Yeah. So you were at the museum and you saw a Concorde, and you told me, what else did you do at the museum?
I went inside the Concorde for the back tour, all the way up to the cabin.
All the way to the cabin? Wow, okay.
The cabin was exactly like this.
Okay, just like in the book?
Yeah, it's like in the book.
And did you see any other planes when you were at the museum in Germany?
Yeah, I saw our first Soviet Union jet plane.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the MiG.
The MiG, okay.
Yeah.
And
The first jet military.
right. Very cool.
And
I know we can talk forever.
Yeah, him and I could go on like this all night.